And action.
Kai buvau maža mergaitė, nutariau pabėgti iš namų. Do you love me?
This is my friend Edna. She's with my ladies' circle.
Pleased to meet you.
Likewise.
I am aware of the incident. Anna's policy dictates I'm in the process of writing my 72-hour report.
How can you be sure it was an accident?
What are you implying? I was told it was just a chemical spill. You know, an accident. Vieną kartą bare dėmesį patraukė vaikinas.
Thanks, William.
Don't call me that. My name is James.
Oops. Sorry, James.
Help. Oh my God. What happened?
She just kept spraying and curling, spraying and curling.
And your makeup.
I know. I look like a drag queen.
Did you actually have to pay for this thing?
The victim actually took quite a blow to the back of her head.
Aš atsistojau, priejau prie jo ir pašnibždėjau į ausį. Sek paskui mane.
I've tried to stop, to love you less. I built my love for you, brick by brick, and I can't tear it down.
Stop it.
I'm sorry. I love you. God, I love you too. I slept with Andrew.
You what?
It was fun.